All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to clone the Git repository, or we're going to go to our CS122b instance. Okay, we're in here. We're going to do git clone. First, let's do ls to make sure we don't have it. Git clone. Okay. So first, let's make sure we don't have anything running on our instance. Cool. There's nothing running. So let's go ahead and go in here to our Git repository and look at our Git log. So this is our last commit here. Let's go ahead and start the build process. We need to install dependencies. While we're waiting on this, let's go ahead and check the database to make sure to see how many rows we have. So this is going to show us, this is how many artists we have, this is how many tracks we have, those are our substitutes. More can be found in the information file. Okay, so our packages have installed. Let's go ahead and run our build script for the React application. Okay, that's done. Run our pre-deploy script to move that into the web folder. Okay, so now once we are done with that, we're going to go up and we're going to run our Maven build. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and copy that guy into our web apps directory. Now, if we go up one directory and run this command, we can see that it is deployed. Cool, unnamed war, it's deployed. So we go to our manager console. It's probably still getting put up there. Let's try that again. Okay, let's just try and access the URL. Still not deployed. Let's copy this in again. Okay, there we go. It's up. Let's go over here. We have our network tab open. And let's go ahead and check it out. So here, it asks us to log in. If you try and go to any of the pages, like explore.songs, it'll redirect you to the login page. Same thing with artists. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and log in. So let's try with the wrong password. Gives you incorrect, invalid user. Let's try with the right password. Okay, cool, we're logged in. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these pages. So from the main page, let's navigate, search by title. Okay, so if we're gonna search by title, that's the same thing as name. Let's search for The Weeknd. Cool. These are songs that have The Weeknd in them. Sometimes you can't see. Let's search for like Love. Yeah, we got Love. Okay, cool. So if we want to search by popularity, we can have descending popularity, as you can see. And if we want to sort by name on top of popularity, let's see, we need to do that guy. Name can be sorted either way as the tiebreaker. So perfect. You can see that name sorts. Okay, cool. Search by director. Okay, yeah, if you want to search for artists, you can go here to artists. Or actually, let's search by artist name. Weeknd. Cool, these are all the Weeknd songs. Perfect. All right, nice. I'm going to search by year. Let's search for 2020. Okay, we got 2020. All these guys have release dates of 2020. Perfect. So shirts with exact match instead. All right. Okay, so let's do the add to cart function. Right here, we have our cart. There's 0 songs. We can add albums or songs. So let's add these guys. Oops, went into the single view. Also, we have the back capability to go back, and it maintains pagination here. Okay, so if we want to add albums, we go in here to albums. Okay, and we have albums here. We can add an album. And so in order to check out, you can go here and click on the checkout button. So these are all the things we have. So if we want to create the playlist, we say like CS122b test, and we can create the playlist, and it'll say we successfully created the playlist. If we go here, you can see CS122b playlist, and we can actually export to Spotify. So we exported it. We can actually look at that by going in here, and it might take a second. And we have our CS122b test playlist here, that contains all the songs from the albums that I selected. So yeah, that's that. Browsing by genre. So we can switch to browse mode here. You can do letter of the title or their artist name, and then you can also combine that with genre. So, or you can do just one. So let's do like hip hop or something. Or let's do this. Yeah, cool. So then we get these guys. So let's go back to search mode. This resets here. We can change our pagination to 25, which is cool. Or we can change it to 100. And we can continue on to the next pages here. And if we copy this into a new URL, we get the same result. Cool. Nice. All right, so that covers that. Pagination, sorting, we covered that. Shopping cart, we covered. So yeah, the checkout button for the shopping cart is here when you add something. You can add, there's also links to the genre pages as well. For a shopping cart, you can add and remove here. So let's go ahead to a song. Let's add this song. We can add it there, and we can remove it here too. We can also do that on this page. So let's add it back, then go to create playlist, and we can remove it. This is all done through the session. So yeah, basically that covers it. And yeah, thank you.